Hello, May 21st, 2010. Just got new M1 Garand, and this is one I was able to hand pick myself. So I thought, since this is pretty special, I might as well take a video of it. And I know that I need to clean it, so I'll be disassembling it completely. And I thought I'd videotape it. There we go. That's the DVDs. There she is. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. A lot of cosmoline. Gonna need some cleaning. So. First thing, make sure she's empty. Physical and visual check. Good to go. Alright. First thing, trigger housing group. That's a tough one. Sometimes they're a little tough, sometimes they're not. Trick is to come down and up at the same time, so that way and that way. There's the trigger housing group. That part. We'll do just the standard field strip first off. So let's see here. I want to take your off-rod spring out, first thing, and then this pin here just comes out like so. Bolt guide, follower arm, follower, now the bolt, and the off-rod. Off-rod falls out like so, and bolt like so, and that is field stripped. But because of the cosmoline, we'll need to take it down a little bit more. So gas cylinder assembly. It's your combination tool. Unscrew your gas plug there, like so. That comes off. Now this foregrip here, some guys like to use screwdrivers to remove that metal clip. I kind of shy away from it. I'm always too nervous of breaking something or cracking the wood. And I found that if you use a brass pin, 1/8 inch, and basically use it as a punch. There's the pin there. And this guy should slide right off. There she goes. Nice and easy. That's the ejector. Now here you just press down on that and push that pin. Get that pin started out. There we go. That slides out. That pops off. Oh, something with the rear sight. Haven't zeroed this in yet, but just to show you, to get it back to where you want it, count the clicks to your 200. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 clicks. So when I put the sight back on, I'll put it back to the 8 clicks, and I'll show you how to do that on the reassembly. Take that, back that screw off on your elevation knob until she's loose. And then on your windage, back that screw off. And then just unscrew your knobs off, like so. And remove your peep sight. And that guy just clips off like that. So that is completely disassembled. Just have the receiver and the barrel. And that's ready to get clean. Okay, so now the trigger group disassembly. Okay, hold the hammer down with your thumb and then release, press the trigger and release the hammer up slowly like that. And this pin right here, this pin right here is the first one to release. Flip it around, press it down like so. Whoops. Yeah. And press that pin out and it'll hold. Take it back around and hold it down with your finger while you remove that pin and slowly release that spring and the trigger, and that falls apart like so. Okay, now this pin here holding the hammer, press out, pull that one out like so. Remove the hammer and then remove your safety, popping it out, and your trigger guard, slide it back, tilt out, and falls off like so. Now this spring here, that is the most difficult piece to put back in. Fairly easy to take out, but can be difficult to put in. To remove, just have to pry it off or push it off from there. There we go. And that's it. So that is completely disassembled trigger group assembly. Now the bolt. This is where the combination tool comes in. You can see here there's a recess and a little piece there that you can use for leverage, and basically you press down on the ejector like so and then rotate clockwise. Get the light going there. That disengages that. That comes out. This piece there. Firing pin obviously slides right out. And there's a little spring plunger right there. There we go. That's a completely disassembled bolt. Now for the stock, I have here just a couple of screws. remove. This bottom one is a long one, which holds in that piece there for your sling. And then that guy there.